Hi, this is Alan Giggins, and this is my video project for the English class and Bachelor of Modern Languages. And this time the topic is environmental concerns. I choose wildfires or desert fires or brush fires because I think that this is a really big problem in the world because each year we are losing a lot of acres for this reason. And as we know, the the trees produce the oxygen that we breathe. So this is a real problem. So let's start. A wildfire is any uncontrolled fire in a complex vegetation that occurs in the countryside or wilderness area. Other names like brush fire, forest fire, vegetation fire, and belt fire may be used to describe the same phenomenon depending on the type of vegetation being burned. A wildfire differs from the other fires in extended size, the speed at which it can spread out from its original source, its potential to change direction unexpectedly. There are three conditions that need to be present in order for a wildfire to burn, which Fred Fire referred to as a fire triangle: fuel, oxygen, and the earth itself. Fuel is any flammable material surrounding a fire. The greater as air fuel, the more intense the fire. Heat source helps spark the wildfire and bringing fuel to the temperatures hot enough to engine. Well, in this part of the video, I need to mention the sources that the teacher sent us, but there's not information about my topic. So I needed to read about the forest in this page, and it talks about about the forest in Mexico. As we know, there's not too many places like this in Mexico because Mexico is an area almost desertic. So I realized that really problem there is that there's a lot of endemic species. 40% of all of the species that live there, they are endemic. What it means, there's not other animals like them nowhere in the world. So if wildfire happen there, the animals need to move to other place to keep their lives, but nobody knows if they could survive there because they need that kind of conditions to survive. So we need to put more attention in these places because the species that live there, they are really important for Mexico because they are endemic for them. So this is that I read in this page. These violent infernos occur around the world in most of the 50 states, but they are most common in US West, where heat, drought, and frequent thunderstorms create perfect weather conditions. Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Washington, Colorado, Oregon, and California experience some of the worst conflagrations in the US. In California, wildfires are often made worse by the hot, dry Santana winds, which can carry sparks for miles. Firefighters fight wildfires by depriving them of one or more of the fire triangle fundamentals. Traditional methods include whether using a spray fire retards to extinguish fire, clearing vegetation to create fire breaks, starves a fire of fuel, and can help slow or contain it. Well, this is the second part of my video where I have to mention my source. I don't want to tell you again what is a wildfire. I want to tell you one of the most destructive wildfires that happened in the United States. It happened between two states in California. In that location, 59,000 acres of land were burned. In that location, more than 800 firefighters was trying and working to extinguish the flames, but they couldn't because the condition didn't let them. And Unfortunately, it wasn't the only one. In 1 year, just in 1 year, 6.44 million acres of land are burned just in the United States and in a part of Mexico. Around the world, 987 million acres of land are burned. This number is impressive. It couldn't happen. We need to do something. So read about it. It is really, really interesting. Well, this is my conclusion, and it is about there's too many things that are happening in the world, and we don't learn about it. We just said it's not my city, it's not my problem. No, I think that this topic that I choose is one of the most important because we are losing a lot of trees, acres, millions of acres, and I think the global warming is about it because we don't do anything to change it. So we need to search some organization programs projects to change our world before it's too late. See you the next time.